My brothers and sisters, una good afternoon. So my name na Anthony. The reason why I come this afternoon, I come blog the audio message wey dey go viral now for Italy be say one guy just do audio message. So somebody, God go bless that boy wey send that audio message to me just now. He send this audio message to me say the police don dey share food for camp now. Say the food wey the police dey share for camp now, they don inject the food, they wan take kill black people. I say that one na fake news. So my brothers and sisters wey dey camp, that one na fake news. But una no dey share audio wey una know say una no wan confirm whether the audio na real or fake. So as coronavirus don happen now, a lot of our brothers and sisters wey no get wetin dey do for house, dem just carry their phone face body, start to dey blog anything wey just come their way, dey blog nonsense. If you see police or say police don dey share food, they wan take kill person. So the person wey myself now wey I dey talk to you, so I still dey work for house wey dem dey call smart working for people wey still dey camp. So a lot of the video wey we dey do for camp now na online video call wey dem dey call smart working. So anything wey we dey do now, we no wan get contact with people direct. Na make me come this afternoon come tell us the real thing wey dey happen for camp. So no be only one or two camp I dey work follow. I dey work follow many camp wey dey this my region, Emilia Romagna. So if you dey blog anything say police dey share food wey dem don inject wey dem wan kill black people, na lie you dey talk. For the camp wey I dey work follow, the operator now, no be everybody dey there dey stay for camp now because of this contact. Wetin dem do be say one person wey dey stay there, dem leave one person there wey dey stay there wey dey control the camp. Dem order their food or their food stuff online and dem go drop am for the camp. The person wey dey stay there permanently go receive am. E go still write those things wey people still need for camp. While some other people wey still dey talk say na police dey share food now, if na big camp, police fit dey there control the food wey come. Police station no be supermarket, our brothers and sisters. But una share una eye, but una no dey use this video take dey do propaganda. Una talk say Italian people no like black, they no like black. Who hear this video now? Who hear this audio wey that brother play? Say see wetin dey go now, police don dey share food now for camp now, they wan use am take kill black people. Who hear am now, e go still react in a negative way take dey affect our black people. So na make me come out now come correct that error. That brother wey do that video, brother, where you for dey work? You dey hear it alone, you know wetin dey talk for the video. You ask the police say this things, items wey you buy wey dem dey share for that camp wey you talk say the police dey already inject, you dey there wey dem dey inject am. Dem say make everybody no comot for house. How you come take know say police dey don inject that items? My brother, no dey carry fake news dey go. Una carry una phone keep. If una no get anything wey una wan talk, una eat, sleep, stay for una house. No be the one una dey carry fake rumors. Who dey quick dey believe something now go just lis ten to that audio now go just talk say na true that person dey talk o. My brothers and sisters, na lie that audio be. The reason why I dey tell you say na lie that audio be because of say I dey inside, I know wetin e dey for, wetin dey sup for camp. The people wey dem dey call operator, dem dey house now, no be all of them dey work now because of this coronavirus. They no wan get too many people make dey get in contact with them. Na make dem reduce the numbers of people. So if they order their things online, like all these SL Lunga Coop or other big supermarket, they get people wey dey still dey carry their things to camp, go still drop am for there. And if they don drop those things for there, the person wey dey control those of our boys and girls wey dey camp, e go come share am according to the numbers of people wey dey that camp. So my brother, una use this video, una share am to that person wey know say do that audio. Tell am say I say na fake news na im dey share. Nothing like say police don already inject food, say e wan take kill black people for Italy. Na lie e dey talk. You hear wetin I talk so? So una no dey carry rumors wey you know say una no verify whether na true. As a lot of rumors wey still dey go for this period say black person no fit still carry coronavirus, this and that. Na lie. Ode she no dey for coronavirus o. Una stay for una house o. As oyibo dey breathe, as oyibo get red blood, na so we get red blood. The only difference between them and we say, because of say where we for grow up, a lot of all this sickness we don first experience am for house, like all those malaria, typhoid fever. So some people don still experience those Ebola and some other things. So these are those transmitted sickness wey you know say e still dey strong well well. Since our immune system don already adapt to the body, so if this thing come, if you know say you no get other small small sickness wey you know say like has to do with breathing and all those things na e no fit affect you. But if you know say you get those sickness to that wey dey has to do with breathing, has to do with diabetes, has to do with any other kidney or respiratory stuff. So if you know say you get mona here for to that one, my brother wey dey blog anyhow, abeg no dey talk like again. Na fake news be that. So if you know say you never subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so that anytime where I still get any information where I'll still use to educate ourselves, I'll still bring am come. So if I still drop am, anytime where I drop new video, I'll still alert una. So I still remain your boy, your brother, your man Anthony. Una subscribe. Una bye bye.